Hello, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vaibhav, and I'm starting this YouTube channel to kind of share my knowledge related to related to Flutter development. So, just to give you a quick background, I started Flutter development around a year back, and I thought it would be nice to share the experiences that I have gained on the learnings, knowledge that I have gained over the last year to share with fellow YouTubers, to share with the community. And that is the idea why I've started this channel. Friends, I would try to keep the videos short, 5 to 10 minutes typically, so that I don't bore you with too much of content and let's get started. So today what I'm going to show you is recently I worked on a project. It was a dictionary app basically, and one of the issues that we faced there was that uh, so you can see that there are there is a bottom navigation bar here which has different tabs on it, and you can basically go to different locations, go to different tabs by clicking on these icons. Now, one of the issues or one of the things that we wanted to do was to maintain the state of each of the navigation, each of the tabs. So let's say if I am on this dictionary page and I click on a word and I go to this particular definition, and then a user goes to some other screen, and then when he comes back to this dictionary page, what was happening is that he was taken back to the home page of the dictionary basically, so where all the words are listed, instead of maintaining the state, and instead of taking him to where he was. So that was one of the issues that we found. So I'll tell you how we can solve such problem in Flutter. All right, so how do we solve that problem? So basically, to the way to solve this problem is basically, to have the separate navigator, maintain separate navigators for each of these different tabs. So typically, what you have is within the, typically in a Flutter application, you have navigator key, which is defined at the material app level, and you use that to kind of navigate throughout your application. But to have a functionality like that, what you would need to do is have multiple navigation. So if you see the code, what we have done is basically maintain different navigator, create create different navigation keys for each of these tabs that we have. So we have created four global keys with the navigator state, and then within the body we use each of these pages are or each of these tabs are given as a unique navigation key, assigned a unique navigation key from that list, so that each of them have their own navigation keys. So that way, what will happen is that the state will be maintained for each of the tab. Another thing to note here is that these screens or these tabs, whatever you've created, should be put in a indexed stack. The reason for that is basically what index stack does is, based on the selected index, it displays only that particular tab, and it does not. Uh, the other tabs are on the screen. They are rendered, but they are not visible. They are behind in the main tab or the indexed tab. So that is how you can uh, you can achieve this functionality. So if I'll quickly demo you this, so let's say if I click on a word, I'm the dictionary, and I click on this word and I go to this page, And then if I navigate to some other tab and I'm coming back, you can see that I'm still on that particular page. And the same thing I can demonstrate one other page, other tabs as well. So if let's say here, if I am selecting something, doing something, and I'm navigating to some other tab, come back to this tab and you can see that our state is maintained. So that is how you can achieve this kind of functionality. I hope this video was useful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you very much.